Hey guys, today I am showing you my daily hair routine for my curls. I am using the Hair Dairy Sweet Milk Hair Growth Serum. This serum is packed with 12 natural ingredients which promote hair growth for all hair types, both virgin and chemically treated hair. You guys know I recently bleached my hair and dyed it, so I definitely needed this extra boost to protect my hair right now. This serum has goat milk in it, which is packed with vitamin D, and it also has folic acid and castor oil. So this is what my hair is looking like when I first wake up in the morning. I start off by putting some water on it. Today I'm using the sample size of the Hair Dairy Sweet Milk Hair Growth Serum, and it comes in this super sleek and chic packaging. The spray bottle makes it really easy and convenient to apply the product, so I'm just going to shake this up and start spraying it all over my hair. I'm basically using this product like a leave-in conditioner. You can leave it in or you can rinse it out once you apply it and let it sit in your hair, but I'm going to leave it in. And once I have a decent amount in my hair, that's when I start to massage it into my scalp. This serum has notes of peppermint and geranium, which really helps to open your pores, and it has this really nice cooling sensation on your scalp. Y'all, it feels so good. I love it. This serum smells amazing, and it is recommended to use it 3 to 5 times per week to see maximum results. Now, I am not personally trying to grow my hair out, but I definitely do need to incorporate this extra moisture into my routine since I do plan to continue bleaching my hair. So now I have the product worked into my scalp, and I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'll go in with my foam wrap, which is what I like to use to style my hair on a daily basis. This product just really gets my curls going. So I'll just let this air dry on my hair while I do my makeup, and boom, this is my finished hair. It feels so soft and I love it. Make sure you guys follow and shop Hair Dairy. You can use my code to get 10% off of your purchase. I love you guys, and I will see y'all later.